Ever wondered if we are truly alone in the universe? Let us embark on a journey that might just challenge this notion. In the vast expanse of space, the International Space Station, our home away from home, silently orbits Earth. During a routine spacewalk in the not-so-distant past of March 2017, something caught the attention of those aboard. Out there in the cold void floated an object so massive and unidentifiable that it left even the most seasoned space veterans scratching their heads. This wasn't just any ordinary piece of space debris, this was something different, something mysterious. The object was colossal, spanning a staggering 5,000 kilometers in width. To put that into perspective, that's more than half the width of the United States. It was a sight that was as awe-inspiring as it was perplexing. But the object's size wasn't the only thing that baffled those who witnessed it. Its movements were what truly made it stand out. This wasn't some stationary object just aimlessly floating in space. No, this object exhibited some truly eerie movements. It meandered through the vacuum of space, almost as if it had a mind of its own, and this strange, unexplained dance lasted for almost 7 hours. 7 hours of uncertainty, 7 hours of speculation, 7 hours of pure, unadulterated mystery. It was a spectacle that left those aboard the ISS and those of us here on Earth with more questions than answers. So what could this mysterious object be? Was it just a mere piece of space junk drifting aimlessly through the cosmos? Or was it something more? Could it be evidence of some otherworldly presence? As we delve deeper into this mystery, we'll explore the various theories surrounding this massive unidentified object. From extraterrestrial surveillance to expert analysis and alternative explanations, we'll leave no stone unturned. So buckle up and get ready for a journey into the unknown. Because sometimes the truth isn't just out there, it's floating right above us. So what could this mysterious object be? Could it be a mere piece of space junk, or could it be something more? Speculations run wild when such unexplained phenomena occur. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, the discovery of this massive unidentified object has inevitably sparked a wave of theories, some more whimsical than others. One such theory suggests that this enigmatic entity is not just a random piece of celestial debris, but a deliberate creation of an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. Could it be possible that we are under the watchful eyes of beings from another world? This theory proposes that the object is part of a vast UFO surveillance network, a sophisticated system of observation and data collection that spans across galaxies. Imagine it, a civilization so advanced that they have managed to quietly observe us, perhaps for centuries, without our knowledge. It's a thought that can send chills down your spine, isn't it? Now let's delve a bit deeper into this theory. Author Brad Olson offers an intriguing perspective. He suggests that this object could be the notorious Black Knight, a supposed alien satellite. The Black Knight theory has been around for a long time, with claims that this satellite has been silently monitoring Earth for thousands of years, a testament to a civilization far more advanced than ours. Olson's theory gives a new twist to the Black Knight legend. He hints that this object might be a part of a comprehensive extraterrestrial surveillance system, a network of such Black Knights perhaps, keeping a close watch on our planet. It's a fascinating idea, albeit one that's steeped in controversy. These speculations, while thrilling and mind-boggling, are also subject to intense debate and skepticism. The idea of an extraterrestrial civilization observing us evokes a mixture of awe, fear, and curiosity. But are these theories grounded in reality? Or are they just the products of our collective fascination with the unknown? While these theories are exciting, they are also controversial. Let's hear what the experts have to say. When dealing with the unknown, it's always best to turn to the experts. Now let's dive into the perspective of one such expert, Astronomer Marc de Antonio, who has offered his detailed analysis of the footage. De Antonio, an experienced astronomer, is no stranger to the enigmatic mysteries of the cosmos. He scrutinized the footage captured by the International Space Station and proposed an explanation that, while less exciting than extraterrestrial surveillance, is nonetheless intriguing. According to De Antonio, the unidentified object could potentially be a piece of space debris. Space debris, you ask? Yes, indeed, our Earth's orbit is littered with remnants from past missions, defunct satellites, and fragments of discarded launch vehicles. These fragments, while small, can reach astonishingly high speeds, making them a significant concern for both manned and unmanned spacecraft. But de Antonio's analysis doesn't stop there. While he suggests the possibility of space debris, he also raises questions about the object's movement pattern. The mysterious object moved in a manner that doesn't entirely align with our understanding of how debris travels in space. This discrepancy adds another layer of intrigue to our story, reminding us that in the vast expanse of the universe, there is still so much we don't know. In addition to the space debris theory, de Antonio offers an alternative explanation. He proposes that the unidentified object could be a leaked liquid from the ISS itself. Yes, you heard that right. In the zero-gravity environment, liquids don't fall. They form spheres and float, which can sometimes create misleading images. This theory disputes the idea of extraterrestrial involvement, suggesting instead a more mundane explanation. So, is it space debris, a leaked liquid, or an extraterrestrial object? All these theories present plausible explanations, each with its own set of questions and implications. The analysis of experts like Marc de Antonio helps us navigate these complex possibilities and fuels our curiosity to explore the cosmos. But the mystery remains. Let's delve deeper. The ISS has had its fair share of unexplained phenomena. It's not just about the massive unidentified object that has been the subject of our discussion thus far. There are other controversial footages too that have made us question the very nature of our universe. Case in point, the luminous objects that seem to appear out of nowhere and the mysterious lights that defy any logical explanation. These sightings, captured by the cameras on the ISS, have sparked heated debates about their origins. On one side of the fence, we have the alternative thinkers. These are the individuals who propose that these phenomena are the handiwork of extraterrestrial beings. They argue that the mysterious lights could be alien spacecraft, and the luminous objects could be emissaries from advanced civilizations seeking to establish contact with us. Their theories, while fascinating, are often met with skepticism. On the other side, we have experts like Astronomer Marc de Antonio. They provide more grounded explanations. According to them, these luminous objects and mysterious lights could be the result of mundane occurrences. For instance, they could be fluids that have leaked from the ISS, illuminated by the sun's rays, or they could be the result of camera malfunctions, glitches in the recording equipment that distort the captured images. The debate between these two sides is intense and often heated. Yet it's this very debate that makes the field of space exploration so exciting. It pushes us to question, to probe, to explore further. After all, in the grand scheme of the universe, we are but a tiny speck. There is so much more that we don't know, so much more that we have yet to discover. These debates show just how much mystery still surrounds our universe. But what happens when these mysteries are abruptly cut off? Imagine watching a live feed of space and suddenly it gets interrupted. What would you think? In a world where communication is almost instantaneous, it's disconcerting when a live stream from outer space abruptly ends. Many instances of such interruptions have been recorded, particularly during NASA's broadcasts from the International Space Station. These unforeseen breaks often occur when unidentified objects appear on the screen, leading to a whirlwind of questions and speculation. Conspiracy theories abound, with some viewers suggesting that NASA is deliberately cutting the feed to hide evidence of extraterrestrial life. The objects that appear before these interruptions vary in size and shape, but they all share one common trait: they're unidentifiable. This lack of identification fuels the belief that these might be alien spacecraft, observing our planet from a distance. These theories are further fueled by the fact that the feed often returns mere seconds after the object has vanished from view. Yet NASA's official explanation tells a different story. According to them, the interruptions are caused by technical issues, a plausible explanation given the complex nature of broadcasting from space. They've also attributed some breaks to onboard experiments that require privacy or even simple loss of signal. However, the timing of these interruptions, coinciding with the appearance of unidentified objects, makes some question the validity of NASA's explanations. Skeptics argue that the space agency is using these reasons as a cover-up, maintaining the narrative that unidentified flying objects, or UFOs, are fantasies, not realities. Even so, it's important to remember that not all that glitters in space is an alien spacecraft. Many of these unidentified objects could be space debris, reflections, or even cosmic rays interfering with the camera. While it's exciting to imagine that extraterrestrial beings are visiting us, the truth may be far less sensational. Whether you believe in extraterrestrial life or not, one thing is certain. Our universe is filled with mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Until then, keep questioning, keep exploring, and remember, we may not be alone.